Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're heading out on a camping trip, tailgate, or fishing getaway, and you want a cooler that can hold up, this video is for you. Today, we're taking a look at the top 5 best coolers like Yeti, each chosen for outstanding insulation, rugged build, and value for the price. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. Yeti Hopper Flip 18 Cooler. First up, we have the Yeti Hopper Flip 18, a compact yet powerful cooler built for serious adventurers who need performance and portability in one. Its cold cell insulation delivers incredible ice retention, keeping contents cold for long stretches, far outperforming regular soft-sided coolers. With a capacity for up to 16 cans plus ice, it's ideal for fishing trips, weekend getaways, or days spent on the water. The 100% leak-proof Hydro-Lock zipper locks in cold air and keeps moisture out, while the high-density fabric resists punctures, UV damage, and general wear. The waterproof dry-hide shell adds another layer of protection against rough conditions, so you can toss it in your boat, truck bed, or kayak without a second thought. At just over 5 pounds, the Hopper Flip 18 is lightweight yet rugged. It measures about 15 inches long, 10 inches wide, and just over 12 inches high, making it easy to carry but tough enough to handle real outdoor abuse.
Number 2. Yeti Roadie Cooler. Next is the Yeti Roadie, one of Yeti's most portable and convenient hard coolers. Don't let its small size fool you. This cooler packs serious cooling power. Designed for road trips, tailgates, or short outdoor outings, it holds up to 22 cans or 16 pounds ice, keeping everything cold for hours. One of its standout features is its wine-friendly design, allowing standard wine or 2-liter bottles to lie flat inside, something few compact coolers can handle. The sturdy DoubleDuty strap offers hands-free carrying, while the molded lip grip handles make lifting and loading effortless. On the bottom, the barefoot non-slip feet keep it steady, even on slick surfaces like boat decks or pickup beds. Built to last, the Roadie has Yeti's signature tough rotomolded shell and thick insulation for all-day ice retention. Whether you're packing drinks for a tailgate or keeping snacks fresh during a scenic drive.
Number 3. Yeti Tundra 35 Cooler. The Yeti Tundra 35 is a true benchmark in cooler performance. Small enough for easy transport, yet powerful enough to keep ice frozen for days. Thanks to Yeti's signature permafrost insulation and extra thick fat wall design, this cooler delivers professional-grade ice retention and toughness in any environment. It holds around 20 cans when packed with Yeti's recommended 2-to-1 ice-to-contents ratio, making it a great companion for weekend camping trips or long fishing expeditions. The roto-molded construction ensures durability strong enough to handle heavy impacts, rough terrain, or even wildlife encounters. It's literally certified bear-resistant. Heavy-duty T-Rex lid latches made from patented rubber eliminate the problem of broken clips, while the interlock lid system creates a tight seal that keeps cold air locked in. Measuring about 21 inches long, 16 inches wide, and 15 inches tall, the Tundra 35 is compact yet substantial, weighing roughly 17 pounds when empty.
Number 4. Yeti Hopper Flip 12 Portable Cooler. Fourth on our list is the Yeti Hopper Flip 12, a smaller and lighter version of Yeti's popular soft-sided cooler lineup, ideal for quick solo adventures or small gatherings. It uses the same cold cell insulation technology as its bigger brother, providing impressive ice retention and temperature control for a cooler this compact. With room for up to 12 cans plus ice, it's perfect for personal use, whether you're heading out fishing, camping, or to a day-long tailgate event. Like other Hopper models, it features the 100% leak-proof Hydro-Lock zipper to seal in cold air and block moisture. The rugged dry-hide shell is waterproof, UV-resistant, and puncture-proof, so it easily handles outdoor wear and tear. Weighing only about 3 pounds, the Hopper Flip 12 is extremely portable. Its wide mouth opening makes packing and unpacking quick and easy, while the sturdy shoulder strap and grab handles give you multiple carrying options. Compact yet powerful, this cooler offers Yeti-level performance without the bulk, making it one of the best personal-sized coolers available today. Number 5. Yeti DoubleDuty Cooler. Finally, we have the Yeti DoubleDuty Cooler, modeled after the Roadie 24 but upgraded for even more storage and ease of use. Despite its smaller footprint, it's capable of holding 33 cans or 26 pounds of ice, perfect for road trips, picnics, and extended outdoor events. It features a rotomolded body that keeps it strong yet relatively lightweight while still delivering the long-lasting ice retention that Yeti coolers are known for. The DoubleDuty strap system provides comfortable, hands-free transport, and the lip grip handles stay tucked out of the way for clean loading and carrying. The best damn drain plug makes emptying melted ice fast and easy, and the barefoot base prevents sliding or tipping during travel. Measuring just over 16 inches wide and standing about 17 inches tall, it fits neatly in a car trunk or behind a seat without wasting space. With superior insulation and a reliable seal, the DoubleDuty cooler keeps drinks and snacks cold for extended periods, even under scorching sun. Tough, portable, and versatile, it's an ideal cooler for anyone who wants dependable Yeti cooling power with convenient, travel-ready proportions. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best coolers like Yeti. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more honest reviews on outdoor gear and must-haves. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.